Right now, if you wanted a sporty-looking Kia Forte, you'd have to opt for the 201 horsepower Forte GT. But what if you wanted the looks without all that get up and go? Well, normally you'd be plumb out of luck, but not anymore. Kia has debuted the 2020 Forte GT-Line here at the 2019 Chicago Auto Show. Think of it as the just right porridge between the regular Forte and the peppier Forte GT. It's more about keeping up appearances than, say, keeping up at the quarter-mile drag strip. Here's what you can expect. The Forte GT-Line jazzes up the regular Forte by adding a gloss black grille with red accents. That gloss black trim also extends to the side mirror caps, the side sills, and the rear spoiler. Capping off the exterior enhancements are a set of LED daytime running lights and GT-Line exclusive alloy wheels. The interior looks a little sportier too, thanks to a flat bottom steering wheel with white contrast stitching, a set of alloy sport pedals, and a new sport black cloth seat. Those who appreciate thrift before shifts will be happy to find the regular Forte's engine under the hood. This 2-liter 4-cylinder puts out 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque. The only cog swapper on offer is a continuously variable transmission, which, if I'll be honest, is a poor choice of kitschy terms for me to use considering there are no cogs to swap. The 2020 Kia Forte GT-Line goes on sale later this year, and pricing will be announced closer to its on-sale date.